Page 249. Okay, we are solving the problems of magnetic field due to electric current one by one. See here, page number 249, problem number 2, because the first part is MCQ students. A piece of straight wire has mass. Given mass is 20 gram. I am converting it into kg. Length is 1 meter. Is to be levitated, means suspended, using a current of 1 ampere, okay, flowing through it and perpendicular to the magnetic field. Directly theta is 90 degree. In the horizontal direction, what should be the, see, mass is 20 gram. I have converted into kg. Length is 1 meter. Current is 1 ampere. Since the magnetic field is, since the length is perpendicular to the magnetic field, theta is 90 degree. To find what? B. We have simple force. Whenever there is current, whenever there is magnetic field, there has to be current. So F is equal to BIL sin theta. Levitated, if it has to be properly suspended, the force should balance the weight of the wire. Mg is equal to BIL, as sin theta is sin 90, sin 90 is 1. I am interested in B. B is what? Mg divided by IL. What is M? G I L1. Therefore, what is your B here? It is 9.8 multiplied by 2, 19.6 into A0 hela balance kara, minus 2 Tesla. Ends the job. Okay. Problem number 3. Calculate the magnetic field at a distance of, given distance is 2 centimeter from a very long wire carrying a current of 5 ampere. Given mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. That's given in the textbook, students. On this data, what we are supposed to find? To find what? Calculate the value of the magnetic field. We have, for a straight conductor, B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi A. Intentionally, what we'll do? We'll multiply and divide by 2. 2I divided by 4 pi A. The reason behind this is mu naught ची value gala. 2. What is I? 5 divided by 4 pi. What is A? 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. 4 pi cancels. 2 cancels. 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 plus 2. It is 5. 4 pi A. Okay. 4 pi gets balanced here. 2 is 10 raised to minus 2. 2 pi A. Okay. Given. Yes. The answer is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 watt Tesla. Are you okay? 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Are you okay here? Yes. Is it fine with you? Next. Come on. Problem number 4. An electron is moving with a speed. Given speed is 3 into 10 raised to 7. It cannot be minus 7. Speed is never negative. In the textbook, it is given like that. An electron is moving with a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 7 meters per second in a magnetic field of 6 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla, perpendicular to its path. Theta is 90. Done. What will be the radius? What will be the frequency and energy? To find radius, frequency and obviously energy. Energy, kinetic energy, students. What else they have given here? They have given a data here Data as mass of electron is 9 into 10 raised to minus 31. Charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb and 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. सगळा डाटा दिलेला आहे रेडीमेड. तुम्ही फॉर्म्युले व्यवस्थित वापरा. झालं. Now what is R equal to mv upon qb. That is mass of electron, velocity of electron divided by charge on electron into magnetic field. घाला बघूया. R is what? Mass of electron they have given already. It's not from my pocket. 9.1. इथं 9.1 actually it is 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 त्यांनी धरायला सांगितलं आहे. Velocity is 3 into 10 raised to 7. Charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Magnetic field is 6 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Come on. 3 2s are. Come on. What do we get here? This is 9 upon 3.2. Yes. 16 2s are 32. Minus 31 plus 7 is minus 25. Minus 31 plus 7 is minus 24. Minus 24 and this is minus 23. So you get it as minus 1. So what will be the answer here for radius? Radius is obviously the radius comes out to be 9 divided by 2.1. What is that? 0.9 divided by 9 divided by 3.2 सांगा मला. अंदाजे approximately 3. approximately 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter. कळतं? थोडं कमी येणार स्टुडंट्स. सेकंड, दे हॅव टोल्ड यू टू कॅल्क्युलेट द what will be the radius of the path, what will be the frequency, what is the formula for frequency here? It's all given in the textbook. QB divided by 2 pi mass of electron. Charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Magnetic field is 6 into 10 raised to minus 4. 2 pi value is 3.14. Mass of electron 9 धरायला सांगितलं 10 raised to minus 31. So the answer, please calculate and check. It comes out to be 18.7 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. हे frequency झालं. Third is kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Half mv square. Half mass of electron is 9.9 into 10 raised to minus 31. Velocity of electron, square it students, it is 9 into 10 raised to 14. इथं त्यांनी इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्टमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायला सांगितलं म्हणून यू हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय डिवायडेड बाय 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 जूल. सी एक पॉइंट इथं क्लिअर करते. कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ एम व्ही स्क्वेअर. व्हेन यू कॅल्क्युलेट द आन्सर यू विल गेट द आन्सर इन जूल. And when you divided by compulsory 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, minus 19, you get the answer in electron volt. Are you okay? Students, the answer comes out to be 2.53 into 10 raised to 3 electron volt, which is 2.53 kilo electron volt. Ends the job. Are you okay here? That is your answer. Is it fine? You can check it students. It's not nothing new or international. You can check it. You can get the answer very easily. Yes? Go to the next problem. That is problem number 5. An alpha particle, nucleus of helium atom with charge of +2 is accelerated and moves in vacuum with kinetic energy given. Kinetic energy is how much here? 10 million means 10 raised to 6 electron volt. Means it is 10 raised to 7 electron volt. And accelerated, it passes through uniform magnetic field of 1.88 Tesla. Magnetic field is how much? 1.88 Tesla. And traces a circular path of radius 24.6 centimeter. Okay. Obtain the mass of alpha particle. That's it. To find काय? Mass of alpha particle. काय वापरणार तुम्ही? First use the expression for radius. We have Radius is what? mv divided by qb. R is equal to mv. Charge of alpha particle is 2 into charge of electron, because alpha particle is helium which has 2 electrons, students, multiplied by b. करता है? Therefore, see, we are R is given, everything is given. We are supposed to calculate the mass of what? Alpha particle. But B is there. What about V? V is not available. Now, kinetic energy E. हे बघा, kinetic energy त्याने दिलेली आहे. Kinetic energy E is equal to what? Is half mv of alpha square. कळता है? Multiply by m on both sides. M alpha into E is equal to half m alpha square v alpha square. इथं बघा, therefore इथं स्क्वेअर करा. r square is equal to what? m alpha v alpha square divided by 2eb square. म्हणजे r will be m alpha v alpha is what? M alpha v alpha the whole square is what? It is 2 m alpha 2 m alpha into E, that is 2 cross multiply करा है. 2 m alpha into E is m alpha v alpha the whole square divided by 2 E b square, that is r square. What I am interested in? I am interested in mass of alpha, which is 2 e square b square r square divided by 2 capital E. Gala values. Therefore, mass of alpha particle is 2. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 square. B is already given. B is given there, 1.88 square. Radius 24.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 square again, divided by what? 2. Energy is what? 10 raised to 7. Please convert it into joule by multiplying it by 10 raised to minus 19. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. And the mass of alpha particle comes out to be, calculate students, 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Ends the job. Karta? Okay, this problem is a bit lengthy. Remaining problems are easy. Fine. For today I will stop. We'll take some more problems in the next period. Bye.